In 2018, KFC's UK stores ran out of chicken, leading to hundreds of them to close overnight. It all started when KFC switched to DHL as its delivery company, and all deliveries were unsuccessful. Chicken stuck in a depot, never making it to 900 restaurants. Frustrated customers even started calling the police just for chicken. KFC used the crisis to make a bold apology, taking out a newspaper ad that turned KFC into FCK, humorously owning the chaos. Slowly, after a week, stores reopened, but the damage had been done. The disaster cost KFC millions, but it did prove one thing: no chicken in a chicken restaurant? That's a recipe for disaster.